Learn English to Gujarati Go verbs, go and
jવું,
with funny past forms. Welcome to Go, Go.
જવું,
Hey, you are about to learn one very useful English and Gujarati verb family. And yes, we are making grammar less scary and slightly more dramatic. Today your mission is the mighty verb, go, which in Gujarati is
જવું,
imagine a lazy cat hearing a snack bag and suddenly shouting.
જવું,
That is your first memory hook. In this chapter, you will hear how go changes across people and situations, from I have gone to they have gone. By the end, you will not just know the words. You will hear them, feel them, and maybe accidentally say them while walking to the kitchen. Your core word today. Start simple. If you own the base word, the rest becomes much easier. The base verb is go equals.
જવું,
Say it with a forward feeling.
જવું,
Example. I want to go now, equals have.
જવું,
Mangam chum. Example. We go to school every day, equals aim darero hasale.
જવું,
Chi. Example. They will go later, equals teo pachi.
જવું,
Karase. Quick tip. Do not confuse go with come. Come is,
આવવું,
but go is.
જવું,
The Gone Squad. Now the fun begins. You will hear how go turns into have gone and went style forms. I have gone equals.
હું ગયો છું,
You have gone equals.
તમે ગયા છો,
He has gone equals.
તે ગયો છે,
She has gone equals.
તે ગઈ છે,
It has gone equals.
તે ગયું છે,
We went equals.
અમે ગયા,
You all have gone equals.
તમે બધા ગયા છો,
They have gone equals.
તેઓ ગયા છે.
Notice the family resemblance? Gujarati is basically saying, everybody went somewhere, and the word family is coming with them. Mini story at the missing picnic. Listen to this little story and enjoy the chaos. You are learning without even pretending not to notice. You arrive at a picnic in Gujarat with snacks, tea, and heroic energy. You say, I want to go, which is
જવું,
but when you get there, the park is suspiciously empty. A note on the bench says,
હું ગયો છું,
another note says,
તમે ગયા છો,
then a third note says.
તે ગયો છે,
You turn around and find another note.
તે ગઈ છે,
At this point, even the cake seems to whisper.
તે ગયું છે.
Because yes, the cake is also gone. Finally, under the teacup, the full truth appears.
અમે ગયા, તમે બધા ગયા છો, તેઓ ગયા છે.
Congratulations. You were late, but your Gujarati improved. Useful dialogues. Now let's make the words sound real. Imagine these as scenes from daily life, or from a very low-budget comedy film. A. Are you ready to go? B. Yes.
જવું,
Now. A. Where are you? B.
હું ગયો છું,
A. Why is this room empty? B.
તમે ગયા છો,
A. Where is Ravi? B.
તે ગયો છે,
A. Where is Mira? B.
તે ગઈ છે,
A. Where is the bus? B.
તે ગયું છે,
A. Where were you all yesterday? B.
અમે ગયા,
To the market. A. Where is the whole class? B.
તમે બધા ગયા છો,
A. Where are the guests? B.
તેઓ ગયા છે.
Memory tricks that actually stick. You do not need magic, but honestly, magic would help. So we're using silly images instead. 4.
જવું,
Imagine a glowing road sign pointing forward. 4.
હું ગયો છું,
Picture a note on a door, I already left. 4.
તમે ગયા છો,
See an empty chair and realize the person is gone. 4.
તે ગયો છે,
Imagine a neighbor saying, he has gone. 4.
તે ગઈ છે,
Picture fading perfume in an empty room. 4.
તી ગયું છે.
Imagine opening the fridge and discovering the cake has vanished. Tragic, but memorable. 4.
અમે ગયા.
Picture your whole group leaving footprints on a muddy path. 4.
તમે બધા ગયા છો.
See a classroom empty after the bell. 4.
તેઓ ગયા છે.
Picture arriving late to a party and finding only snacks and silence. Quick drill time. You answer in your head or out loud. If your pet looks impressed, that counts as a language certificate. How do you say, go?
જવું.
How do you say, I have gone?
હું ગયો છું.
How do you say, you have gone?
તમે ગયા છો.
How do you say, he has gone?
તે ગયો છે.
How do you say, she has gone?
તે ગઈ છે.
How do you say, it has gone?
તે ગયું છે.
How do you say, we went?
અમે ગયા.
How do you say, you all have gone?
તમે બધા ગયા છો.
How do you say, they have gone?
તેઓ ગયા છે.
Little challenge. Let's level up. I will give you the English. You try the Gujarati before I reveal it. Say, he has gone.
તે ગયો છે.
Say, she has gone.
તે ગઈ છે.
Say, they have gone.
તેઓ ગયા છે.
Say, we went.
અમે ગયા.
Say, you all have gone.
તમે બધા ગયા છો.
Bonus dramatic line. The cake has gone.
તે ગયું છે.
Yes, this is the saddest sentence in the lesson. Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You made it through a whole family of go words without running away. Very impressive. Today you learned go as
જવું.
and the key forms.
હું ગયો છું. તમે ગયા છો. તે ગયો છે. તે ગઈ છે. તે ગયું છે. અમે ગયા. તમે બધા ગયા છો.
And
તેઓ ગયા છે.
thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases during your day, and come back soon for more English to Gujarati fun.